Welcome to Tips and Tricks for Invoice Processing. I'm Jason Howard, and welcome back to My Invoices again. Here we have an invoice come in which has an issue. And the question really is, how do we deal with machine learning and teaching the system the next time round? Here we can see the invoice date hasn't actually been read because it doesn't exist. But let's just assume the invoice date was there, but it had been misread or not read correctly. How would we apply machine learning? Well, what we actually do is go up here to this feedback button. We select to OCR error and we go invoice date issue, and we actually send this off to our support team and they apply that machine learning if they think it's valid. That way, keeping the automation on the system up to the maximum. Join us again for more tips and tricks on invoice processing.